Okay.
They stole it from the guy that I bought it from. They stole everybody's shit.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? We pulled up on this 1977 old school square body K10 that decided it was done starting for the day. What's going on with this one?
So it keeps dying.
Okay.
And so yeah, I'm gonna have it towed to my friend's shop.
Right. Is it 4-wheel drive or is it 2-wheel drive?
4-wheel drive, but it actually doesn't have a 4-wheel drive shaft on it.
Now this truck is 4-wheel drive, and I was prepared to drop dollies until the owner said that the front drive shaft was missing. Okay.
Somebody stole it from the guy that I bought it from, and I just haven't replaced it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I guess he put it into a shop, and then the shop closed.
Oh no.
And they stole everybody's shit.
Damn. That's an unfortunate thing for her. But for me, it just made this job that much easier. Will it roll out? Does it run at all, or is it dead?
Try to start it.
Okay.
Because if we can
get it into the street, it'll be a lot easier.
Yep. You got here so fast. I was actually going to try to come out here and do this.
Yeah, well, I was right there at Northern end of 51 when I got your call.
Yeah. Super lucky.
Yeah, you did. Will it shift into neutral?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we can roll it back, then that'll work. I can make it work. So I ended up having to push this thing out by hand. It might be hard to steer, but I can push it if you can steer it. With it not running no power steering. Need me to help you steer it? 35-inch tires on this thing. As long as it's moving, it's easier. Man, it was quite the workout pushing this thing out of her driveway so I could get it on the track. You need some help?
Can you jump in here and do this?
Yeah. Put it back in park real quick. Yeah, because it's tough.
Yeah, it's super hard.
Okay. Hop back in it. And you might just have to just hold the steering wheel where it is. And then, like I said, I'll help push it and get that momentum going again. You know what? That'll work. I'll grab it from here. Yeah, I'll just have to block off the whole street. That's fine. People will just have to wait.
Should I leave it in neutral?
No, you can put it back in park. Owner says she need to get it fixed because her 16-year-old son is getting his license today. But once we got it loaded, we drove it 10 miles north up to the shop where I dropped it off, where it can get fixed. I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.